Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Monday and we're currently in the Asian session, currently heading towards the London session. Right now, last week we saw price dip into this area of 1787, called the 1790 region, and we saw this rejection and pullback right now. So going for this week, two things are on my mind. I see a huge liquidity pull from this region of 1913, 1915, call it 1915 region. Price might actually draw it to the side, like we might see price attracted to this region of 1915 and reject it for the last time before we could see price roll down. Then we might just see something like an inverse head and shoulder pattern like this, and then we'll see price roll down to 1675. All this in the long term. For now, I see price being bullish. Otherwise, we might see price just reject a little bit at 1873 and then continue downwards. All right, for now I'm bullish for the week. Why? Let's look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see how price closed last week. It closed a little bit. We saw price dipping the previous week, and we saw the bullish candle of last week here, and then the beginning of this week we could see price coming up all the way to this point. We saw something more like a double top, a break of it. We might just see a retest of this region, and we see price come all the way to 1675 in the long term. 1685, sorry, yeah, 1685. Going back to the daily time frame, we could see more like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, all ranging between 1830 and what's it called? Let's just call it 1813 and 1800, because we saw this pin bar into this region and pull back or closed at 1810. So at this region, and we saw this candle on Thursday last week, just came here and closed above all this, more like a consolidation region here. So my C price start going up. All right, so let's go into the smaller time frame and see some possible setups right there. So over here on the 4 hours time frame, we could see more like a downward trend line being broken and retested, and in support of our analysis from the larger time frame, we see I'm expecting price to go up. So in the 1 hour time frame, what am I expecting? Possibly price will reject this region, come back here for one more retest for third touch of the trend line, and then we could see price rally up. The target is 1915. all right, but I also marked that we might see price reject, or from this region, and then start going down. But for now, I'm bullish on gold, and let's see how price will play out before Wednesday. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Wednesday, and currently we are about 45 minutes to London session. And listen, price on Monday, I was anticipating price to actually probably come down for a touch of the trend line for the third time before we could see a push up. But currently I'm seeing more like a formation right now on this on this time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. And two things, we might just see price come back one more time for the touch of the trend line, and then might break it, the retest of this region. Then we might see price come all the way back to 1792 for a start and probably break it. But for now, I still think price is coming back for a touch of the trend line. To let's look at this region for a while. No, range basically around this region. Possibly, and then we might just see a touch of a pump, and then we'll see price head all the way to 1915 like anticipated, or we'll break it, retest of this, and then we'll see price come down. So I have 2 buyers right now on gold, and let's see how it play out between now and Friday. Currently I'm on buys on GU. I'll be showing that on my GU tracking. I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how gold will play out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. And so far we can see that there's not been a major massive movement on gold for the past 3 to 4 days, since this week actually. If we watch here, we'll have this candle on the 24th of May, which is Tuesday, and this was on Monday. We had this bullish move to this 1865 region. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all ranging around 1865 region, 1867 region, and 1843 region. So far so good in this style. I anticipated two things: that basically if there's a break of price in this trend line and a retest of you, maybe we could see price go down, and also anticipated a break of price, a touch of price here, we could see price start going back upwards, and then we see price forming something more like a double bottom here. Let me enlarge this a little bit so we could see a double bottom, and then we see price continue upstairs, broke up here, retested this region. So possibly going forward for Friday, if there will be volatility, then possibly I might see price just continue upwards for now. Yeah, even though this trend line is invalid for now, but I think price might just decide to actually continue going back up. My target is still 1890 and 1915. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday, and I guess probably this consolidation would be for a greater push to the upside, and then that might be next week. So I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.